Hi, welcome to the library. I'm sure you were kind of curious why we brought you down here today to listen. And I'm sure you were kind of surprised when your teacher said that one of your daily 3 or big 5 stations or centers was going to be the library this week. Well, this week I'm going to teach you to use the website Wonderopolis. After you learn how to use this website, you are going to come back once a week during your daily 3 time and learn some new things about your science or social studies lessons. First, I need you to open Google Chrome, just how you already know. Then, you're going to type in wonderopolis.org. It is located on your path so you can see the spelling. Hit enter, and here it is. Once it opens, go ahead and click on the star or bookmark icon so that you will have it ready to load when you come back in the future. Mine is already bookmarked, so it is a yellow star. Wonderopolis.org is a very cool website about things you might wonder about. If you look at the website, you can see that the wonder for today is, why do rainbows appear? There are some other links and buttons on this page, but we're not going to worry about those today. We are mainly going to focus on the gray bar on the right side of the screen that moves the web page up and down, and the buttons on the left side. Look at the Explore Wonders icon. It is a compass. Click on this icon, and it is going to give you a whole bunch of wonders. I know that as you're scanning this page, you immediately saw the who invented the toilet wonder. And I know you are giggling. After we finish this tutorial, you can come back and see who invented the toilet or any other wonders that might interest you on this page. We're going to start by looking up at the top right corner of the web page. There is a handheld microscope icon next to the word search. You will need to click inside the search box. A cursor will appear to let you know that you are ready to type. Hit the Shift, then 3 key. This will give you a hashtag, or as old people like me call it, a number sign. Then you will type in a number. Today that number is 919. Your teacher or I will have a new number posted each week. Today it is Wonder 919. We chose this one because you just reviewed fossils while preparing for the STAR test. We want you to have a little more information. Now I will hit the Enter key and it will say search results for number 919. As you look at this page, you probably can't see number 919. Just scroll down the page until you find it. It is called Where Can You Find Fossils? Once you've found it, you can hover over the title and it will turn blue. You will also be able to see the hand with the finger so you can click this wonder. By clicking here, I am taken to the Wonderopolis page, Where Can You Find Fossils, number 919. We have quite a few things to see on this page. There are guiding questions on the right. There is a video in the middle of the screen. By hovering at the Start key, you can find the length of the video. This one is 9 minutes and 55 seconds long. Some will be a lot shorter. We always want you to start with the video. So let your cursor hover over the triangle play button and it will turn blue. Click on that button and the video will start to play. If you want it in full screen mode, click on the 4 arrows icon. It will take you to a full screen. Just remember, in order to exit, you will need the ESC button on the top left of the keyboard. Let's watch for a few seconds.
TDOT, the Tennessee Department of Transportation, was doing a road widening project essentially, and in the process of making a fairly large road cut at a T intersection, they ran into the pause it. And we were sort of fortunate because
I hit the ESC button and now can pause the video here or stop it completely. After watching the entire video, you can scroll down and see what we want you to pay close attention to. It is a short amount of text. Yes, you must read the text. But wait, I have ways to make that easier. First off, if you look at the text, certain words have a line of dots under them, and certain words are blue. Any word that has dots, you can hover over it and a definition will appear. So if you do not know what a dinosaur was, you can hover over the word like this and a definition pops up. You can also go over here to Wonder Words and the same definition pops up. See? Another way to make it easier is to have the text read aloud to you. You can see the little play icon next to the word listen. Sorry about that. Click that icon and the text will be read to you. Let's listen.
Have you ever wondered how scientists can know so much about things that happened thousands of years ago?
I hit the pause button just like in the video and I can stop it with this button. There's also a volume button right here. Now, if you notice that if I hover back over an underlined word, the definition no longer appears. After you've used the listen feature, the definitions will no longer appear here. However, you can still find the definition under Wonder Words on the right side. See? So if you need to pause while listening, you can, and then use the Wonder Words to help with any definitions you need. Scrolling to the bottom of the text, you will see a little light bulb icon next to the words, "Did you get it?" This is a short 3-question quiz. Click it. A quiz window opens and you can see the start button. I'll click the start button, but since I haven't read the text, I know that I'm not going to do very well on these questions. See? I'll try another answer. Good, got that one. Now I'll use the next button to move on. And move on again. I've talked to your teachers for this. And for the first few weeks, we're not going to use the quiz, but that will change soon. So if I were you, I would practice the quizzes while you can. You can click the Get Results button for your score. The tiny X will close this window. The same quiz is located on the sidebar on the right. The only difference is that you get some sound effects over here. Listen. The last thing we would like you to play with is the Wonder Word Challenge. Vocabulary is very important. We want you to take the challenge to practice the vocabulary. Click here and a game window opens up. I know the definition of ancient, so I'm going to click on it. Whoops, definition isn't here. Let's try unearth. Since I know that definition, I'm going to click on the vocabulary that goes with it. I got it, that's right. Now I can click next word. But this time I'm going to show you what happens when I get one wrong. if I click on the word impression and then click on make visible, then I get a not quite and I can try again. Impression. Bummer. I can click try again. Man, I am awful at this. Let me try this one more time. Finally, you continue the match game and then close the window using the X or the blue button at the bottom, whichever you prefer. And every time you open this window, you get a different set of words. So my words might not match your words. To review, we saw the compass icon. We saw the search box and what to type into that. We learned how to play the video and to read the text. Or if you would like, the text can be read to you. You found out how to find definitions like this. Finally, you learn ways to check your learning. Remember to practice the quizzes and word matches. They will become grades soon. I am so excited to be one of your daily 3 or big 5 stocks. I look forward to helping you expand your knowledge. Now, go back to the compass icon and find out who did invent the toilet.